Good morning, boys and girls. Today for maths, we are going to be focusing on the number 18 for our number of the day. Now, the first thing you need to do is to put your name up the top of your sheet so we know that it's your work. We need to look at the number 18 and decide whether or not the number 18 is an odd or an even number. Now, our number 18 is an even number because it ends with the number 8, which makes it an even number. So I've just circled even. Now you need to write your number in words just here. So we would write the number 18. Because 18 is a teen number, an easy way to remember how to spell it is to write the 8 and then the teen as well. Next, you need to draw 18 tally marks just here. Now, remembering that we draw 4 smaller lines and 1 bigger line coming through to represent a group of 5. So at the moment we have 15 and we need 3 more, which makes 18 tally marks. Now we need to write the number in expanded form, which means that we partition our number and break it into 2. So the first one would be the number 10 because we know we have 1 10 in the tens place value, and then the number 8 because we have 8 ones in the ones place value. So now we have 10 plus 8, which gives us the number 18. Next, you need to add by counting on. So you've got 3 different equations here. I'll do the first one with you. So we've got 18 plus 2 equals. So again, put the bigger number in your head, which is the number 18, and count on 2. So I'm putting 18 in my head, 19, 20. So the answer is 20. Moving on, we need to circle the group that has more. So we would look at both of these groups and count them to determine which one has more in it. So to do that, I would look at the tens place first. So we can see that this represents 10 and this represents 10. For you to know that, I would recommend counting just to make sure. Then I'm going to look at the ones block. So I can see this side has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this side has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to circle this one because this group has more. I've put the first number in for you, which is number 18. So now it's your turn to complete the rest of the number line and find the missing numbers. Remember to upload your work to Class Dojo so your classroom teacher can see it.